This is my quick 3-minute review on this MAP gas torch. Well, all I can say about it, in the first 30 minutes of running time, it sucks. What can I say? I first got the kit, good intentions, excited, gonna weld up my dirt bike frame here. Didn't really go so well. Welded kind of partially. This is using aluminum stick rod as well with flux. I cleaned it with acetone, but I didn't know. If you want to weld aluminum, stainless steel wire brush, clean that oxidation layer off, it'll weld up way nicer. This thing will be great though for brazing. We'll see how well it does with steel. We'll see if it even cuts. They claim it brazes, cuts, and welds, so we'll see. Things I'm not really impressed with it. Empty oxygen bottle that it came with, stands kind of flimsy. You pick up the torch and it moves all around, but granted this should be sitting on a tabletop. The work should be pretty close. This thing is a hobby grade torch, of course. So it's only going to do hobby grade stuff. Like small welds or just kind of messing around, melting stuff. I don't know. It is what it is. What we'll try to do though is we'll try to braze with it. We'll try to weld nuts on. We'll see if it's actually a good replacement for, like, say, a welder. Say you're a backyard mechanic and you just got to weld a nut on because you broke a bolt. So we're going to see how that all works out. The kit includes 4 welding rod, probably cheap welding rod, I'd assume. We'll try it in a later video. It's got this this here striker. Works pretty good. Bottle of MAP gas is full. Oxygen was empty. I like these valves. They do feel pretty nice. This one, not really. You turn it all the way, turn it. It gets tough, and then you just crack it, and you'll feel the oxygen go. Start to loosen up a little bit later, but that's what it is. We'll do a video about how to set this torch up, just because I have no oxygen right now. But this is kind of my first impressions of the torch. Kind of trying to weld. It melted aluminum fine, but I just couldn't get it to melt basically what I was trying to weld. It melted the stick fine, but did not really do a great job at everything else. So my suggestion, if you're gonna weld aluminum with it, learn how to weld aluminum, just practice. That's probably my issue, honestly, with this whole thing. But it's a good little kit. It cost me 120 bucks. Cylinders aren't cheap-ish. It's about 16 bucks a cylinder. This is what it is. If you want to mess around with it, 30 minutes, you get about, you probably have to burn about 20 of these bottles before you burn one of these. So think about that math. 16 times 20. Oh boy, what are you looking at? $320 in oxygen and 16 bucks in there. So you're probably about 350 bucks in gas already, which, if that's the case, you might as well buy a big enough torch that you'll for what you're spending gas, buy a bigger torch. Would never hurt. And probably is only 200 bucks for a kit too, but you know what? We're gonna put this thing through its paces. We're gonna do a nice series on it. If you guys enjoy that, or you want to see that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. What can I say else about this? Here's what it is. You get what you pay for. $120 hobby torch. If you guys want it, you can burn the cash. Go for it. If you're kind of on the fence, I don't know if it's going to be worth the money. Definitely not worth the money, but it is a whole lot of fun. Stick around for future videos. We're gonna put this thing through its paces. We're gonna try to cut with it. We're gonna try to braze with it. I'm gonna actually attempt to weld the aluminum on this thing properly, but I need to get more oxygen. So yeah, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. See you in the next one.